Brian and I started this company 20 years ago. But one of the things we've been talking about is building a better world by pioneering the use of container-based structures. But when I really think about what is building a better world, it's this. It's the relationships, it's the community, it's us all being together. I just really appreciate being on this journey with all of you, and just thank you for coming out to celebrate this with us.
We're definitely a family, a big giant family. I brought my kids today as well. They just got here, so we're gonna go hang out and have some fun.
We're all very close here at Falcon. We love spending time together. Like, everyone just gets along super well.
Very interesting. I love it here. It's a good crowd.
And the environment's really nice, the way they treat you. They make you feel like family. You know, they treat you really well, you know, like if it was your own family.
This party speaks to the great leadership that we have and the relationships that we keep with not only our old customers and vendors, but old employees as well. It went from two guys who were buddies just having this idea for renting out spaces to being the industry leader for what, you know, modular construction could be and what it is today.
We take pride of everything we do. It's great to feel that way that you build something, it's gonna go somewhere and somebody else is gonna have a use for it. You know, I love what I do. I got great people working for us, so we're rolling.
Thank you for being part of this 20 years so far, and we look forward to the next whatever we get.